Hi, friend. Let me discuss about the forecasting today. So here I have prepared some sheets for you, sheet one, two, and so on. So let us discuss this. So how to forecast. So first method is a general forecast. How to do it? So you have to write the formula is equal to. Let me enlarge this first. Is equal to forecast bracket. It is asking for x, known y, known x. So x is this is year 2023. This is the year 2001, 2, and so on. So I just want to forecast how much I'm going to have profit in 2023. So X is, I selected X, comma, Y is your, this X is Y axis, comma, X is this axis. So bracket close, enter. So you can see that this much is the sale in 2023. Okay, suppose I want to know 13, 14, and so on. So what I will do is I will use again the same formula. Forecast, bracket open, X, year 2023, comma. These are the y-axis. These are known to us from the history or from the Yahoo Finance. And these are the years I have converted into numbers. No X, bracket close. So first I selected the year which we want to know, which we want to forecast, then known y's from B2 to B13, then known x. Enter. Now we got this, we can drag the file and we can do the forecasting. We know what will be the sale or profit in the coming years. This is how we can do the forecasting. Let me tell you about 5-year forecasting, 4-year forecasting, 3-year forecasting, how to do it. So first of all, let me remove this. Let me remove this. So here you have to go to the analysis tool from data analysis, moving average. Press OK. So it is asking for input range. This is your input range. Label, no, I have included A, so I'm not going to tick mark this. I'm not going to select this. Interval, suppose I want 5-year moving average, 3-year moving average, whatever. If I want 5-year moving average, I will write 5. Output, where you want output, I want on the beside, I want here, here, wherever I want. I want here on the side of this. So I selected C3. Then just select this chart output, press OK. So you will see this is a 5-year moving average, and this is the graph. From this graph, your actual value is not showing much of trend. There's a lot of variation, but the forecasting 5-year moving average is showing you the trend line. This is the upper trend line. Okay, there is one more method that is known as exponential smoothing. We are going to add some smoothing factor into this, or damping factor into this, so that graph becomes very smooth. So how to do this? You just select data analysis, go to smoothing, exponential smoothing, press OK. Again, same method, it is asking for input range. I selected the input range. Damping factor, now we can find the damping, we can find using solver the optimal damping factor, but the damping factor ranges from 0 to 1. I'm selecting 0.9 as an optimum value. Output range, again, where you want, I want here, chat, yes, press OK. Now you can see that actual graph is having a lot of variation. It's like a sinusoidal wave ups and downs, but the forecasting, adding damping factor, which ranges from 0 to 1. I wrote 0.9, but I'm not finding the optimum value. I just thought of this is a hypothetical value, 0.9. Now, if I have added the damping factor or smoothing factor, the graph you can see in orange, it's very smooth now. So this is showing the upward trend of the forecasting. So this is the exponential smoothing method where we add the smoothing factor or damping factor so that our trend can be seen easily. Okay, now these are different types of errors in forecasting. We can find errors using Tableau, we can find errors using Excel, and we have to consider that this error MAP, most of the industries, they consider MAP error. It should be, technically it should be less than 10, but okay, between 10 to 20, maximum 20, less than 20 is acceptable. So I have created all the formulas here. You can go through the formulas and you can calculate errors in forecasting. Okay, thank you so much.